Are you ready to experience the future of tiny living? Today, we're exploring 20 of the coolest, most innovative space-saving furniture solutions. From transforming Murphy beds and robotic kitchens to clever expandable tables and hidden ceiling furniture, these mind-blowing designs will completely change how you see small space living. Stay tuned. You won't believe what's possible. Like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's jump right into this countdown of the most incredible space-saving furniture ever created. Number 20. Folditure Leaf Folding Chair. This ultra-thin folding chair is a space-saving marvel. The leaf chair collapses flat to just 5/8 of an inch thick, slim enough to hang in a closet like a shirt. Crafted from aluminum composite panels with a comfortable mesh seat, it pops open with a flick of the backrest and folds closed at the push of a button. Despite its artful leaf-like design, it's sturdy and full-sized when unfolded. It's a jaw-dropping party trick for tiny apartments. Extra seating that virtually disappears when not in use, wowing guests with its ingenious engineering. Number 19. Expand Furniture Companion Cube. Don't let its humble look fool you. This stylish ottoman hides a secret. The companion cube transforms into 5 separate seats. In seconds, the cushioned cube splits apart to become a set of 4 sturdy stools plus 1 extra seating surface. It's perfect for entertaining in a small living room. You can tuck the chairs away inside the ottoman when not needed, saving a ton of space. The modern, minimalist design complements any decor, and its quick change act from footrest to 5 chairs never fails to get an OMG from guests. Talk about multifunctional magic in one cube. Number 18. BedUp Ceiling Bed. What if your bed could vanish into the ceiling? The BedUp does exactly that. It's a full-size bed that lowers down when it's time to sleep and lifts back up to the ceiling when not in use. By hoisting the bed overhead during the day, via a safe counterweight system, you reclaim all the floor space beneath. This French design solution can free up roughly 30 square feet of space, turning a bedroom into a daytime living area or home office. It's completely manual and smooth to operate with one hand, and even has integrated ceiling lights for a stylish touch when stowed. The BedUp is a brilliant example of maximizing a tiny home's vertical volume, a bed that's literally out of the way until you need it. Number 17. Kitchoo Mini Kitchen. This sleek cabinet is actually a fully equipped kitchen in disguise. Kitchoo's award-winning mini kitchens pack a sink, cooktop, refrigerator, microwave, and storage into a modern sideboard just a few feet wide. When closed, it looks like a chic credenza. Open it up, and you've got a functional kitchen ready to cook. Engineered in Switzerland, the Kitchoo K6 features high-end finishes and thoughtful ergonomics. Even a dishwasher and garbage disposal can be included. It's perfect for micro apartments or studios, allowing you to prepare meals in a tiny footprint without sacrificing style. This ingenious unit proves that big things can come in small packages in kitchen design. Number 16. IvyDesign Picture Table. This beautifully clever wall-mounted table doubles as art when folded up. The IvyDesign Picture Table displays a framed artwork or mirror, then unfolds into a sturdy dining work surface for 4 to 6. Special hinges and a robust Austrian-crafted wood frame enable a smooth, stable transition in under 20 seconds by one person. Available in various finishes, it complements any decor. Perfect for small homes without space for a permanent table, it transforms your wall into a multifunctional focal point, blending aesthetic appeal with practicality. Handcrafted meticulously with precision in Austria, it's functional art that saves space and sparks conversation. Number 15. Clei Kali Duo Board. This Italian-designed system by Clei converts a home office into a kid's bedroom in seconds. The Kali Duo is a sleek cabinet concealing a bunk bed with a spacious desk on the front. By day, it offers a roomy workspace. By night, a simple pull reveals 2 stacked XL twin beds, while the desk remains level and slides neatly under the lower bunk. No clearing required. Each bed features a safety railing and integrated ladder. Ideal for studio apartments or children's rooms, this space-saving marvel blends smooth mechanics with modern style, turning one piece of furniture into double-duty perfection. Number 14. Clei Penelope Desk, Murphy Bed with Desk. Why maintain separate spaces when one elegant piece can do both? The Penelope Desk by Clei is a queen-size wall bed that folds down over a generous 5-foot desk. By day, it's a sleek workspace or crafting area. By night, it transforms into a comfortable bed. Thanks to its smart pivoting design, the desk stays level. No need to clear your work. Hidden pistons and a soft open system make operation effortless. Stylish and space-saving, it's available in multiple finishes with optional shelves or power upgrades. Perfect for small apartments, it effortlessly blends work and rest in one beautiful Italian-designed unit. Number 13. Clei Swing Sofa Wall Bed. The Clei Swing is a genius space saver, combining a full-length sofa and a queen-size Murphy bed in one sleek design. By day, it's a chic 9-foot sofa with a display shelf above. By night, it transforms effortlessly into a cozy bed. The shelf stays level so your books and decor remain untouched. Thanks to Clei's patented counterbalance system, the bed folds down smoothly over the sofa, no need to move a thing. A hidden storage compartment under the seat adds extra function. Perfect for studios or micro-lofts, the swing blends Italian style and smart design in one magical motion. Number 12. Expand Furniture Box Coffee to Dining Table. It's a coffee table. It's a dining table. It's both. The Expand Box Coffee Table is a sleek, low-profile design that transforms from a compact coffee table into an 8 to 10 person dining table. Hidden leaves unfold from inside, and a built-in gas lift raises it to dining height in seconds. On locking wheels, it's sturdy for daily living. When guests arrive, it extends from 47 inches to 86.5 inches to seat everyone comfortably. Choose glossy lacquer or wood veneers to match your decor. Ideal for studios and one-bedroom homes, this versatile table shifts your space from lounge to feast with one fluid flip. Number 11. Transformer Table 3. It's the internet's favorite expandable dining table. The Transformer table transforms from an 18-inch deep console into a 10-foot banquet that seats 12. Its innovative panel system lets you add or remove leaves for the perfect fit, while extra leaves store neatly in a matching bench. Crafted from solid wood, it's sturdy and stylish. One person can telescope it open in seconds, making it a must-see. Whether hosting a large family feast or needing a compact desk, this table adapts. With its sleek, modern design and global acclaim, the Transformer table proves that furniture growing with you is a game-changer. Number 10. Orla Reynolds As If From Nowhere. Bookcase. This vibrant bookshelf has a hidden superpower. It houses a complete dining set. The As If From Nowhere bookcase is modular shelving that disassembles to reveal 2 tables and 4 chairs neatly slotted between shelves. Brightly colored pieces slide out like puzzle pieces, simple as grabbing a book. Join the half-size tables to form a dinner table with 4 chairs ready to seat guests. After dining, each item slips back into its cubby, vanishing into the white frame. Combining form and function, this truly playful piece brings color and surprise to small apartments, turning a bookshelf into a dining room. Number 9. Expand Furniture Ludovico Transforming Office. The Ludovico office by Claudio Sibila looks like a stylish cabinet but unfolds into a complete workstation. Open its doors to reveal a swiveling full-size desk and slide-out section housing a cozy chair nestled between drawers and a filing cabinet. In moments, your living room corner transforms into an ergonomic office with ample storage. When the workday ends, tuck the chair in, fold away the desk, and return to an uncluttered sideboard. Its compact footprint and award-winning multifunction design seamlessly switch between cabinet and office modes. The Ludovico is a truly innovative, elegant micro-office that makes every square inch count. Number 8. Clei LGM 2.0 Rotating Wall Bed and Library. The LGM 2.0 by Clei is the Swiss Army knife of furniture. By day, it's a sleek floor-to-ceiling shelving unit or entertainment center. Push to rotate the entire 9-foot wall 180 degrees and reveal a Queen Murphy bed on the side. Bookshelves, a TV, or a fold-down desk remain in place thanks to its intelligent rotating mechanism. When you need sleep, pivot the wall and lower the bed with one hand. Gas pistons make it effortless. The LGM 2.0 supports a 65-inch TV mount and built-in USB ports. This revolving marvel turns a living room into a bedroom in a minute. Number 7. IKEA Ragnan Robotic Furniture System. At the touch of a button, ROGNAN by IKEA x Orai glides on tracks to reconfigure your room. This robotic system slides a concealed bed out for sleep, or retracts to unveil a sofa, desk, or storage module. Originating in East Asia, it moves the walls to add up to 8 square meters, 86 square feet, of usable space in tiny studios. Controlled via a simple touchpad, ROGNAN eliminates heavy lifting while transforming your home's layout. It's smart, affordable furniture engineering. Robotics meets IKEA design to turn a single space into multiple rooms in seconds, redefining what compact living can be. Number 6. Clei Dock Sofa Bunk Bed. It transforms a cozy sofa into 2 sturdy bunk beds in one swift motion. The Dock by Clei looks like a regular 3-seat sofa, but lift the seat and flip up the backrest to reveal a bunk bed with built-in ladder and safety rails. The balanced mechanism requires almost no effort. By day, it's an Italian-designed sofa with removable covers. By night, it becomes twin beds with orthopedic slatted frames. Perfect for studios or kids' rooms, the dock switches from seating to sleepover ready in 30 seconds. Clei's precision engineering makes it the ultimate dual-purpose solution, maximizing style, safety, and space. Number 5. Orai Pocket Closet. Walk-in closet on demand. Dreaming of a walk-in closet but short on space? Orai's Pocket Closet delivers a full wardrobe only when you need it. From the outside, it appears as a sleek built-in cabinet. At the touch of a button, its central panels glide apart to reveal hanging rails, adjustable shelves, and even a hidden vanity. When closed, it compresses back to a neat footprint, reclaiming your floor area. In a studio, it can also partition bedroom and living zones on demand. Developed by the innovators behind the Oric Cloud Bed, this motorized system combines integrated lighting, smooth mechanics, and luxury finishes to create an on-demand walk-in closet that vanishes when you're done. Number 4. Fletcher Capstand Expanding Table. The Fletcher Capstand is a mechanical marvel that transforms from a compact 6-seater into a 10-seater in seconds. Twist its top, and radial segments split apart as hidden leaves rise from beneath, filling gaps with synchronized precision. No loose pieces, no manual setup. Crafted with yacht-grade materials and precision engineering, it maintains a perfect circle in both modes. The transformation can even be motorized for added flair. Ideal for daily use as a breakfast table, it then expands to wow evening guests. Though it carries a luxury price tag, watching this kinetic art in action is pure magic, blending elegance, innovation, and functionality. Number 3. Circle Kitchen by Compact Concepts. The Circle Kitchen packs a gourmet kitchen into a 6-foot diameter rotating cylinder. One half houses the stove, sink, and prep counter. The other holds the fridge, microwave, dishwasher, and storage. Swing open its curved doors and find everything within arm's reach. Rotate the inner module to bring needed sections forward in a spinning carousel. Occupying just 19 square feet, over 60% less space than a typical small kitchen, it still delivers full functionality, ventilation, ample countertop, and customizable finishes. When closed, it resembles a sleek capsule. This German-designed marvel transforms tiny spaces into full kitchens, offering a futuristic, space-age culinary solution. Number 2. Bumblebee Spaces, AI-powered ceiling furniture. Straight out of sci-fi, Bumblebee Spaces uses AI-driven robotics to store and lower furniture from your ceiling on demand. Beds, wardrobes, and storage modules live overhead, freeing floor space until voice or app commands gently descend them. Mornings start as your bed lifts to the ceiling with a tap. Need clothes? Your closet arrives like a mini elevator. Developed by ex-Apple and Tesla engineers, the system integrates sensors for safety and learns usage patterns to optimize routines. Raved by celebrities, it effectively turns one room into three. A premium smart living solution, Bumblebee Spaces delivers an open sesame moment every time. Number 1. Oric Cloud Bed, Ceiling Bed plus Living Space Transformer. The Oric Cloud Bed is a space-saving spectacle. A queen bed that descends from the ceiling each night and disappears at the push of a button. By day, it's tucked away in a lofted module above a sofa or desk. With one tap, the bed motorizes down along hidden guides, converting the living area into a bedroom in seconds. Safety certified to stop on obstruction. A variant raises a dining table as the bed retracts, instantly turning a bedroom into a dining room. Stylish finishes and smart home integration make it a viral sensation and a mind-blowing solution for urban living. Thanks for watching. Which space-saving furniture amazed you the most? Let us know your favorite in the comments below. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more amazing home innovations. Until next time, keep making your space extraordinary. See you soon in another exciting video.